Hello students, in this session you are going to study about the rights of a surety. A surety has certain rights as against the principal debtor, as against the creditor and as against the co-surety. Rights of the surety against the principal debtor. A surety has certain rights against the principal debtor. The various rights of the surety against the principal debtor are: right to be subrogated. The surety enjoys the rights to be subrogated. That means after the discharge of the liability of the principal debtor on his default, the surety is invested or clothed with all the rights which the creditor has against the principal debtor, and the surety himself can exercise those rights against the principal debtor. Second one, right to demand securities of the principal debtor held by the creditor. The surety is entitled to all the securities of the principal debtor which the creditor had obtained from the principal debtor before or at the time of the contract of guarantee was entered into. It does not matter whether the surety is aware of the existence of such security or not. Right to indemnify. In every contract of guarantee, there is an implied promise by the principal debtor to indemnify the surety. So, the surety is entitled to receive from the principal debtor whatever sums he has rightfully paid under the guarantee. Right to be relieved earlier. The surety can, even before making any payment, compel the principal debtor to relieve him from the liability by paying off the debt, provided the liability is ascertained and subsisting one. A right of the surety against the creditor. The usual rights of the surety against the creditor are: right to request the creditor to sue the debtor first. After the guaranteed debt become due and before the surety is called upon to pay, the request the creditor to sue the principal debtor first. Right to be subrogated. On the payment of the guaranteed debt, the surety is entitled to step into the shoes of the creditor. That is, on the payment of guaranteed debt against the principal debtor, and the surety himself can exercise those rights against the principal debtor. Right to claim the securities held by the creditor. After he has performed the promise or discharged the guaranteed debt, the surety is entitled to claim all the securities of the principal debtor which the creditor had obtained from the principal debtor before or at the time of the contract of guarantee was entered into, whether he is aware of the existence of such securities or not. Right to set off. The security, when sued by the creditor, can claim set off or counter claim which the principal debtor has against the creditor. Right to equities. On the payment of the guaranteed debt to the creditor, the surety is entitled to all the equities which the creditor could have enjoyed, not only against the principal debtor but also against any other person claiming through him. Third one, rights of the surety as against the co-sureties. When a debt is guaranteed by two or more sureties, either under the same contract or under different contract, the surety are called co-sureties or co-obligants. Co-sureties are liable to contribute equal shares. Co-sureties bound in different sums. Rights to the benefits of securities held by any one of the co-sureties. Thank you.